Tiger selfie. No, I got it. Rawr. Come on, big roar. Rawr. Roar. Epic. Get in the car.
Okay then.
What the hell? What kind of music is this? Hash Tiger here live from the Hashmobile with the Driftmeister McAllister. Give us the 411 on drifting, Mac. Right. It's simple, really. Just get to high speeds, then steer hard. Here, check it out.
Okay guys, so welcome yourself back to part number 3 of Need for Speed Payback, guys. Oh, lovely song. And obviously, there is stuff going on with obviously my ex, and I'm not gonna start anything. It's nothing to really start on, really, and it's just really like childish just to blame stuff on me when I'm not gonna go into like to argument details. I don't want to start anything. I'm not here to have. I'm not pointing fingers at anyone. I'm not trying to start anything, but like I know she was trying to challenge me to Star Wars, which I get. I would love to do that. I would love to play Star Wars again, but I'm getting all my stuff back constantly right now, and that, unfortunately, that little challenge is gonna have to wait. So
And there you have it. Go again, but like really go hard. Look, I don't wanna. Customer's always right. Fine. You know what? We'll go to my favorite drift run.
So obviously she's obviously challenged me, and obviously
Great job on the setup, by the way. Lighting up those tires is a piece of cake. Setup? Let me guess. This car was already set up for drifting when you bought it.
so obviously yeah,
Where'd you learn to drive like
I mean, like, I love to challenge her and just have a good time of Star Wars, and
I learned to drift corners with speed.
not hopefully like talk to her, because me and her like we're like,
Is that why you came to America?
she wants to be friends with me, but like I'm so confused because one minute she wants to be friends with me, and the next part she just blames stuff all on me, and that's not really fair actually on me, because I moved on from that, really. I mean, like, I'm not asking my views to like have a go at her and write nasty comments though, but like when you like, it's just hard for like just to respond to that, because you're the person that's innocent and doesn't want to do anything that bad. So sorry, I had to change my batteries.
This might get a little intense, Tiger. You better not get sick. Are you kidding? I play lots of racing games.
Well, just know he's a YouTuber, but like, I don't want to get involved. Like, I got nothing to really do with it,
As awesome as I thought it would be. I'm just getting started, right?
and like, this is how you really start arguing with the other person, start saying nasty things, and it just gets out of hand, and you got really nothing really to do, and you feel that, and you just feel uncomfortable with the situation that you are in now, and so I'm not getting involved. I'm not responding harsh or mean, so I'm just getting on with my life, ignoring it as you would do. So I'm gonna go at Aliens Girl,
What was a bad idea?
or AKA me and my boyfriend Lol. I'm not having to go at her, but I'm brilliant at drifting. But like, at the end of the day, like, you just gotta get on with your stuff, and I'm gonna get on with my stuff. So yes, I would love to challenge you, and yes, I would love to have a good game with you. All of that lot though, but
So, hush puppy. Hard enough for you?
but like I just want to like get on my life. So
Is that you, bro? Hey, Mac, it's been a while. It's been a rough 6 months without the old crew. You're telling me. Mac, I have a job in mind. You off the leash? You know I'm always down. Just like that. You're bored, aren't you? So bored, mate. You stress on it too? I'm working on it. Hey, Mac, did you get a shot at me puking? Work faster.
so I'm just sticking as I am. I'm not doing anything. I'm not having a go at anyone or stuff like that. So I'm getting on with my life, and so should he. So should she.
You guys are late. I hate waiting.
What, lady? We're in the middle of a robbery here. Ah, Jimmy!
Just so we're clear, you're paying for 2 distractions, no matter who makes it out alive. Damn it! Okay, I know a guy. Hold on!
We're not gonna make it!
Oh, come on. This is just a bit of fun.
So let's move on from obviously my past and
Miller?
You're doing this now? Yes. Tyler, you got a minute?
Tyler? Hey, stay on the tarp. If you bleed on the seat, I swear to God. Hey, Ty, really not a great time. Sorry.
Yes, wait, I got a plan.
6 months later, and the first time I hear from you, you need something from me?
Yes,
Tyler, seriously, I'm a bit busy right now.
I just want to move on and just obviously not forget. Well, trying to forget about it, and I don't want to cause any arguments because arguments lead to other kind of stuff, and that's what I don't want to do. So, Aliens Girl, I appreciate what you're trying to do here, but at the end of the day, I'm going to be the bigger person and just say to you, you do what you're doing. I don't mind
Is this where you bitch
your
me
life,
first?
but you stick with your life, and I'll carry on with my life. So,
Lena, she's in the house now. Jesus Christ, you two. No way. I'm out.
so that's what I'm going to say to her,
Cut the one
and
almost there.
You're already? You really are an escape artist.
It's what you paid me for.
Active boys.
Tell the guy Jeff sent you. He'll patch you up.
so anyway, move on from that. So this also is part number 3 of Need for Speed Payback, and we have just started getting our crew back together, and don't know what's really going to happen next actually in this.
Put Mac on.
Look, Jess, this plan is over. All we need is your...
Ty, Lena and the house. Put Mac on.
Can't help yourself, can you? You're interested.
The plan. How insane is it?
Oh, that. It's bad. Cop chases, stunts, crazy heists. Nothing up your alley.
Lena alone screwed us 6 months ago. Now you want to take her on with the house? Look what happened to Rav.
It'll be different this time. The 3 of us. Do it.
The whole crew back together, huh?
Come back, Jess. Let's do this.
Tell him I'll think about it.
Okay, so maybe she's actually in with the crew. So we got, what was it, Tyler and Mac in. All we need now is Jess. And I just got spotted. Cop chase it is then. It's not black, it's purple.
I built this ride just for you boys. Let's dance.
Mac, you missed that corner. How's he catching up? He messed up. Forgot that was there. Oi!
Hope you can take a hit.
Oh, I'm gonna swing back around. Yeah. That didn't go quite as I planned it to go, but and he's gone. Woo! Oh god, hello. Mate, I'm in a black Audi. This thing has tough armour on it. Good luck stopping this. And that. See you later, mate.
Subject currently going eastbound on I-620 Providence Parkway.
Copy 1 Lincoln 30.
1 Lincoln 30, visual on subject has been lost.
Jess, hey.
So, about this stupid plan of yours.
It's not... Yeah?
Let's meet. Where are you?
Okay, so we've got Jess actually in. Obviously, I will be playing, obviously, some Star Wars as well. So, I'll talk more about that in a minute.
This is the dumbest plan I ever heard. I left the game because of crap like this. The best crew in town always gets a racer in the rush. So all we have to do is beat all the Silver Rock street beats and I'm in. Mac will handle the off-road and drift. I'll do the rest.
What about the house? They control every dirty deal in town.
Well, that's where you come in. They'll have a bulletproof setup. Talk to your underworld contacts, figure out what it is, then we take it out.
So, win the race, watch the house burn while we count our piles of cash.
Simple.
Fame, fortune, and Anna Navarro getting what she deserves. You idiots are gonna get yourselves killed without me. Yes, I'm in.
Yes!
Rav, you know we can't pull this off without our master engineer.
You're so fast.
If you're that desperate, I'm in as well, and you can use my garage, but there are a few conditions. First,
Whoa! Crew's back together, babies!
either of you fools even have a car? Oh,
That's sort of lost mine. It's lost.
Seriously? There are cars in the back. Clients who never paid. I'm surrounded by...
Surrounded by what?
good old 87 Buick GNX. Now there's a badass car. This one can still pull a 6-second 0 to 60 after 30 years. The Mark 1 Golf GTI, the car that launched the hot hatch trend, is still an ass kicker to this day. The S2000 Honda's homage to the roadsters of the 60s. Push that VTEC engine to 9,000 RPM to see what she can really do.
Okay, so obviously I'm gonna go back to Star Wars here. Sorry, it's not relevant, no. Obviously I'm gonna play a bit more of Star Wars, and obviously if you see me and my boyfriend's old videos, that I'm mostly going back to this, but I just can't get it out of my head. She also said I was the best. She thinks I'm best at Star Wars. I'm going to put this out there right now. I am nowhere good at Star Wars as I am. I'm just playing as I usually was. If I say I am, then I'm clearly not. But I'm just playing Star Wars as I usually would play. If I think I'm good, then I would not say it out loud to tease you or make you feel uncomfortable with me saying I am the best at Star Wars. So I am clearly not. I'm putting it out there right now. And I am not bullying her at school or whatsoever. I'm sticking far away from her as possible. If she did, if some of her viewers believe that, I clearly did not bully her at all at school. I stuck my distance away from her, ground levels like that. But if she wants to play that game, then she can play that game. I am not playing it with her. I'm sticking away from her, keeping my distance, and that is all. And my friends, I'm just going to stick up for them as well. I'm not going to bully her whatsoever. I'm not going to make fun of her or stuff like that. I'm just going to keep my distance, just have fun with my friends at college, and if she wants to make fun of herself by any means necessary or make things worse for herself, then I'm not going to stick around for her when she gets into that hole. So it's just, I'm throwing it out there. I'm not trying to start an argument with her, or do anything like that. It is just what she thinks, which is her own opinion, which she clearly did said. But everyone's got their own opinion. That's what I'm telling you, my opinion, and she's got hers. So I'm sticking to that. I cannot judge that so far, but no, none of that. I think I'm going to go with a Honda. So that's what her point of view is, and that's what mine is. So let's just leave it as that. So it looks really beautiful though.
Good choice. Nothing compared to my rides, but it'll do. I thought all you did was tune them up. All right, you just earned yourself an ass kicking. How'd you like that beer this evening? Not bad. Let's see if it's enough to keep you in the lead.
It makes a really beautiful sound.
Come on, Tyler, race me. This ain't ballet parking.
Come on, we're catching up.
6 months, Tyler. What were you doing out there? That was the deal. Worked for the gambler and got in jail. What do you know? He had plans for me, but I convinced him life was better. So here we are. Tyler, you know I'm done with that life. We had a good run, but I'm a mechanic. I've got a good thing going out here. She come across the track. You don't want to see her stopped? And I'd still give anything to see what's under the hood of that gun exec. But I'm done being angry. I found my peace. Well, I'm happy for you. Yes.
Come on, baby. Come on. He's gaining.
You're not holding back, are you? Please don't hold back. Oh, I won't. You realize this whole game is about a right? Know who you work for, what you represent. No one has ever gone up against the house and won. You know that. First time for everything. Guess it's back to the garage with you.
That was an easy little fun race.
Skill always wins over raw power.
So we finally get paid, eh? Okay then. Jump. Not bad.
Hey, Mac, where'd you two disappear to? Route didn't have what I needed. We're off to the dealership to find me some off-road wheels.
Alright.
Oh, yeah.
Word.
You good for this? I can lend you some money.
Nah, sis, I'm good. I pulled out my savings.
Ooh.
Which one are you going for, Mac?
The WRX STI. My car had your choice, but bounce around the scenery. Great grip and handling. But my house is going to remember every bump. The Land Rover 110. Woo! They haven't changed the shape for decades, and for good reason. This thing could take some serious punishment.
I might go for this actually because I want to go for it.
Looks like I can walk faster than that thing.
It's okay, baby. She didn't mean it. Now, I'll have to kick your ass. Race to the airfield?
This Land Rover looks amazing.
You take the streets, I'll take off-road. See if it's slow down.
Why are you really doing this, Mac?
What do you mean? You get a mega payoff, and you get to keep Navarro's ass. What's not to like?
I know you, Mac. It's not that simple. I've been a personal crusade, but that's not you.
Straight talk, Jess. After we split, I had nothing. Doing odd jobs for cash. And sometimes, that meant the house.
You could gamble along. You did what you had to do.
Coming to America's been one big wager. Besides, it's not gambling if you know you're gonna win. You got your own thing, Jess. You don't need us. Why are you in?
Someone's gotta watch out for Ty. Taking on the street leads to get into an impossible race. He's Adrian's fixated on Navarro, and he's going to need us.
So you think we got a chance?
After it all went down, we didn't hear from him for 6 months. If he's back, he believes he can win. And I'm not letting a brother go to war alone.
I knew it. You missed us.
Look, man, I'll support you guys as long as you're not idiots. I'm in it for you two, not the bro.
I know you, Jess. You're being proud of yourself. Oh, yeah.
Good time as well. Nearly level 2. There's going to be a lot of jump in this, but
I'll admit, I didn't think you could pull it off.
Ha! You don't win anything by playing safe.
Point taken, but I'll stick to the roads, thank you very much.
Hey, Ralph, what's up?
Nice ride you got there, Mac. Why don't you bring her around to the garage?
Be right there.
okay, guys. Obviously, hello. We've got something unlocked. We are now thinking just going to put, I think, a more kind of upgrade suitable stuff on this. I think I might have crashed because you had the
I've cleared up this space for you three. Feel free to leave your cars here, tune them up, paint them, work on your style. Why don't you try a bit of upgrading first? See if you can get some extra performance out of those cars. I have a few parts lying around the shop. Just put everything back where you found it. Understood?
Yes, Mac, I understand. No go. There you go. There you go. So let's change this one as well. Nah, I don't like that one. Okay guys, so after, actually no,
What do you got, Raph? I know of 2 leagues worth your time out here in the desert. First one is a racing league called the Graveyard Shift, led by La Katrina. Bunch of kids with a death wish and a taste for the dramatic. Mac, second league's for you. League 73, an off-road crew led by some bastard named Udo. Lately they've taken to racing around the airfield and smashing up my prototypes.
Okay, Mac. First we take on some league races, then we challenge the bosses one-on-one.
Should start earning us the rep we need to enter the Outlaws Rush.
okay guys, so I have to end this video off here. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and obviously yet again, like, if someone just comes at you on your YouTube channel and says or say nasty things about you, just don't hesitate. Tell a parent, tell a guardian, or whoever you live with, or whoever can help you. If you can solve it on your own, then obviously there's a thing called a block button. Go onto their channel, click the little 3 dots. On the left hand corner, there should be a block user. Click that there, and there should be no more troubling you and that, and then you can get on with your life. But that's gonna be all for me, guys, and